our last video we have seen geometric progression, the concept of geometric progression, and we have seen the general term of geometric progression, that is AR square, AR cube, and nth term के लिए it will be AR to the power n minus 1. Okay, so last term or nth term will be equal to AR n minus 1. Okay, sum of n terms will be, we have also seen that, so sum of n terms where r is ratio is not equal to 0, ratio is not equal to 1, in that case it will be r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, now we'll see one question. If a to the power a3 third term is given by 24 and a6 sixth term is given by 192, so you have to find out a10. Okay, a10 का value will be, what will be the value of a10, that you have to find out. ठीक है, now see, a6 can be written as ar to the power 5. Okay, because ar n minus 1. Okay, similarly a3 can be written as ar square, then a6 upon a3 will be ar to the power 5 upon ar square. Now as we know that a6 is 192 and a3 is 24, and that will be equal to a cancel, so what we'll get, r to the power 3. Okay, so and when we'll cancel this, 24 8s are 192, it means r cube is equal to 8. It means r cube is equal to 2 ka cube, so r will be equal to 2. ठीक है, now what we have to do, by putting the value of r in any values, like this is 24 na, a3 is equal to 24, and as we know that a3 will be equal to ar square. Okay, that will be equal to 24, and r ka value we know, a into 2 ka square is equal to 24, so a into 4 is equal to 24. ठीक है, so 4, this is 6, it means a ka value is 6. Now we have to find out the value of a10, 10th term, that is a10, so it will be ar9. Okay, 10 minus 1, or we can write 10 minus 1, that will be ar9. Okay, a ka value is 6 and r ka value is 2 to the power 9, so 6 into 2 to the power 9 will be 512. ठीक है, so this will be 3072. ठीक है, so this will be the value of 10th term. Okay, one more question we'll do. You have to find out the sum of n terms and the sum of first 5. You have to find out the sum of n terms where the sum of 5 terms is equal to of the sum of n terms and the sum of 5 terms you have to find out, and the series is 1 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 9 plus dot dot dot. Okay, so first term a, that is equal to 1. Now we have to find out r का मतलब 2 upon 3 upon 1, that is equal to 2 upon 3, or we can also check r can be equal to 4 upon 9 upon 2 upon 3. So 3, here this one 3, 2. Okay, again we are getting 2 upon 3, मतलब final r is equal to 2 upon 3. Okay, you have to check. Okay, मैंने 2 times check किया, but 1 time only you can check second term upon first term. Okay, to show you how it's coming and ratio is same, that's why I checked for both. Okay, it means a is equal to 1 and r is equal to 2 upon 3. So what you have to find out, S5 will be equal to, see, a into r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम 5 पुट करेंगे n की जगह, तो a इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टर्म A first term is equal to A, R is first term is equal to A, and that is equal to 1. R is equal to 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 ka, okay, so this one 2 upon 3 का par जो है that should be 5 minus 1 divided by 2 upon 3 minus 1. Okay, so this will be equal to 2 upon 2 का par 5, 2 का par 5 and 1 का par 5. This is actually when this ratio is lesser than 1, that time what will the value, we can write like this: 1 minus 2 upon 3 to the power 5 divided by 1 minus 2 to the power 3, 2 upon 3. Okay, so 1 minus 2 ka power 5 will be 32 and 3 ka power 5 will be equal to 3 ka power 2 will be 9, then 27, 81 and 243, 243 and upon 1 minus 2 upon 3. Now it will be 243 minus 32 upon 243 and divided by 3 minus 2 upon 3. Okay, so this will be 243 minus 32 will be 211 and divided by 243 divided by 1 upon 3. So 3 से cancel करेंगे, we'll get 81. So what value we are getting for S5? S5 के लिए we are getting 211 upon 81. Okay, now what we have to find out? We have to find out n का value. N के लिए the sum of n terms. It will be a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, and this will be equal to 1 minus 2 to the power 3 to the power n divided by 1 minus 2 to the power 3. Okay, and into a is there. So a is 1, so we can write directly. हम यहाँ पे a को remove कर सकते हैं and because a का value is 1. So now it will be 3 का power, yeah, this will be 1 minus 2 upon 3 का power n upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. So this will be equal to 1 minus 2 to the power 3 का power n minus 1 upon 3. So ये 3 को we can write here. So it will be 3 into, or else we can write here. So Sn will be equal to 3 into 1 minus 2 to the power 3 का power n. So this will be the nth term. I mean sum of n terms of GP. Okay. We'll do the next question. We have a question and the GP is given 3. The terms of GP is given 3 upon 2 and 3 upon 4 and so on. So clearly we can see A is equal to 3 and R is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay? And the question is, how many terms of this GP are needed to give the sum? 3069 upon 512. Okay? So clearly Sn का value is, Sn is equal to क्या होता है? A into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. ठीक है? So we can write here 3069 upon 512 will be equal to A. A का value is 3 and 1 minus 1 upon 2 का power n. Okay? Divided by 1 minus 1 upon 2. ठीक है? So clearly we can divide cut by 3. We can divide this 3069 by 3. We'll get 1023. Okay, and now 1023 is basically can we write 1024 minus 1, 1023 की जगह and 512 here. Why we have written 1024? Because 1024 is 2 का power 10. Okay, so and this one 1 minus 1 upon 2 का power n divided by 2 minus 1 upon 2. This will be 1 minus 1 upon 2 का power n, okay, divided by 1 upon 2. Okay, so now This one, can we write 2 का power 10? 2 का power 10 minus 1 upon 2 का power 9. 512 is 2 का power 9. So we can write here 2 and 1 minus 1 upon 2 का power n. Okay. So clearly this 2 is there and इसको हम clearly यहाँ पे shift कर देंगे this side. So it will be 2 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 2 into 2 to the power 9 will become 2 to the power 10. Okay, that will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 ka power n. Okay, now we'll separate this 2 upon 2 to the power 10 upon 2 to the power 10 minus 1 upon 2 to the power 10. That will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power n. So this will be 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power 10. Okay, equals to 1 minus 1 upon 2 to the power n. It means n is equal to 10. Okay, so how many terms are required? 10 terms are required. That 10 terms are needed to give the sum 3069 upon 512. Okay, one more questions will do now. First 3 terms. Okay, GP के first 3 terms के sum S3 is given by 13 upon 12. Okay, and the product, their product. So वो 3 for our convenient we'll take that 3 terms. क्या हम लेते हैं? 3 terms will take. Let A1 is equal to A upon R, A2 is equal to A, and A3 is equal to AR. Okay, so A upon R, A and AR, ये 3 terms अगर हम लेते हैं, so product of these 3 terms is given by -1. So what we have to find out? हमें A1, A2 and A3 का value find out करना है. So this will be, ये R cancel, so A cube is equal to -1. It means A is equal to -1. ठीक है. Now A का वैल्यू हमने फाइंड आउट किया. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, बेसिकली व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, हमें R का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टर्म्स A1, A2, A3 का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. बेसिकली सम इज S3 का मतलब क्या हुआ, दैट इज A1 plus A2 plus A3. Okay, all the 3 values, A upon R plus A upon A into R. Okay, now we'll put the values. It will be -1 upon R -1 minus R. Okay, and this is 13 upon 12. Okay, now what we have to do, ये -1 को this side we can write, so -1 को +1 हो जाएगा, and here we'll take minus common. It will be 1 upon R plus R. This will be -1 plus R square upon R. Okay, now we'll add again. This side it will be 13 plus 12 upon 12 plus 1 plus R square upon R, that is equal to 0. So now we'll multiply R. ये 25 upon 12 plus 1 plus R square upon R is equal to 0. It means 25 R plus 12 into 1 plus R square will be equal to 12 R, that is equal to 0. It means 12 R square plus 25 R plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we have to break this. 12 into 12 will be 144 and 16 into 9 will be 144. So 12 R square. Can we write 16 R plus 9 R equal plus 25 R's को can we write 16 R plus 9 R. Okay, and get 12 as it is, will write here. So when 12 and 16 में what is common, we can take 4. Okay, so 4 R will take common, we'll get 3 R plus 4 plus, when we will take 3 common, R 3 R plus 4 is equal to 0. So the value what we are getting, it is 4r plus 3 into 3r plus 4, that is equal to 0. Okay, it means either 4r plus 3 is equal to 0 or 3r plus 4 is equal to 0. So r का value will be minus 3 upon 4 or r का value will be minus 4 upon 3. So these are the two values of r. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question, and the question is, we have to find out the sum of the sequence. A sequence is given 7, 77, 777, 7777, okay, up to n terms. ठीक है. So what we can do, sum of, we have to find out the sum. So Sn will be equal to 7 plus 77 plus 777 plus so on up to n terms. Okay. So here what we'll do, we can take 7 common हम ले सकते हैं. So what we'll get, 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 1 plus dot 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 up to n terms. Now if we'll divide this by 9, why 9? Because 9 is equal to 10 minus 1, and 10 and 1 दोनों के लिए we can take parts. Okay, so it will be 9. When we'll divide it by 9, so we have to multiply by 9. So it will be 99 plus 999 so on up to n terms. Okay, so 7 upon 9, and 9 को can we write 10 minus 1, and 99 को can we write 10 square minus 1, 999 को can we write 10 to the power 3 minus 1, okay, up to n terms. N terms. So 7 upon 9 into, पहले अब हम इसको 2 parts में 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube we can take. So 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus dot 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 n terms. Okay, plus, sorry, minus, we can write minus common लिया, 1 plus 1 plus 1, okay, up to n terms. Now n terms 1 1 हमने लिया तो that will be n. Okay, तो 7 upon 9 और 10 का पार सम, this will be equal to, ये part का summation will be equal to 10. Here a is equal to 10 and r is also equal to 10. So 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. Okay, and minus n, because 1 हमने n time लिया है, n times लिया है, तो it will be equal to n. So this will be equal to 7 upon 9, and the value of this one will be 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1 is 9 minus n. Okay, so we can take this. Okay, we can't write like this. So basically और भी short में करना है, तो 7 upon 9 multiplied by 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 9n, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, we can write like this 9. So basically we can write 7 upon 81 into 10 into 10 to the power, or yeah, 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 9n. So we can write like this. हम यहाँ पे भी छोड़ सकते हैं, और we can so simplify till this one. Okay, so these are the sums. One more question we'll do. So a person has 2 parents. Okay, so how many parents? 2 grandparents, 4 grandparents. So grandparents 4, 8 great grandparents, great grandparents, 8, and so on. Okay, so this is how it's going. Parents matlab the first term, that is equal to 2, and multiplied by 2 times, so r is equal to 2. Okay, so 2, 4, 8, 16, like this. Okay, so what you have to do, find the number of his ancestors during the 10 generations preceding his own. Okay, so n, what you have to find out, n 10 generations के लिए मतलब 10, so you have to find out the total. Okay, total number. तो basically what you have to find out, हमें S10 find out करना है. तो Sn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, so S10 will be equal to, a is equal to 2, so 2, r is equal to 2, so r की जगह भी will write 2. Okay, to the power n मतलब 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Okay, so S10 will be equal to 2 into 2 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so 2 into 2 to the power 10 is 1024, and minus 1 is equal to 2, so 2, that will be equal to 2 into 1023. ठीक है, so total 2 into 1023 will be equal to 2046. So this will be the value. I hope you understood the sums. I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.